Okay, now we're going to secure the wire around the rock, around the cap, making sure the cut parts face the inside of the rock, not the outside. So you'll need about 4 to 5 strips of masking tape. So you just cut a little bit in half. Okay, so now space out the hinges so they're evenly spaced out. Leave a lot of space at the ends. Okay, so now you take a piece of the tape, find the bottom of the rock, and put the tape over it. Now take the middle of the wire, making sure the cut ends of the hinges face inside. And then put the tape over to the other side. Now bend the wire around the shape of the rock. Bring the outer hinges in. Just pull on them. Okay, and then put some more tape on. Okay, now use your flathead pliers and bend the wire, all three at the same time, right at the middle at the top. You might have to do this a few times to get it just right. Okay, now the other side. So you want them flush against each other. So this one, I've gone too far. So I'm just going to fix it. I'm going to pull back a little bit on both sides. Okay, try it again. Okay, that's pretty close together. That'll work.